Hey guys, so today we have the world's first 360-degree drone, and everything that you need is in here. So everything that you need to fly the drone is inside this bag, which actually comes inside a box. So it's so handy, it's very travel friendly. So first, let me get this battery for the goggle. So just have it like a little necklace hang by the neck. And this is the goggle and the handle, the controller, and the drone. And this drone is in hard protective case, so it will definitely protect your drone. And it's actually really tiny. Open it up and ta-da! It's really small, it's very cute looking, and it weighs 249 grams, so under 250 grams. And if you want to just check the battery, you just need to tap and see. There are 4 green lights. I made sure I charged all the batteries well. And the set that I have came with 3 batteries in total. And you can always get additional battery. And right now there's some great promotions. So if you check out the link down below after this video, then you may get an extra battery.
The high capacity flight battery lasts 39 minutes and the lighter standard flight battery lasts 24 minutes. With the obstacle sensors all around the drone, it's really safe, but you'll be happy to hear that the 360-degree cameras have replaceable lenses.
So once these devices are out, you just need to plug in battery for the controller. And even this battery, if you just want to make sure that it's fully charged, just need to press and you can check it out. And this goggle, it comes with like the protective rubber for the glass inside. And to plug in, you just need to go in this way. In this way, the wire does not get in the way. And you just need to tap and long press, turn on this goggle.
Turn on the grip motion controller and the drone.
So Antigravity A1, here we go. So now I'm ready to fly, and all I need to do is put the slide twice to start the motor. And you can hear, well, I can hear that the motor is starting, and then slide up. Oh, wow.
So slide up a long time to take off.
So it rises to about 1.2 meters. It's beeping because I'm at the back. So let's start flying. Oh my God, I feel like a bird.
The great thing about Antigravity A1 being a 360-degree drone is that you can fly the drone in a straight line very smoothly, very easily, but in the editing process, you can change the angle as you wish.
So inside the display, to go into menu, you just need to press here. Everything is very intuitively placed. And also there is an SD card slot inside my goggle. I am actually wearing glasses normally, but I can actually see everything very clearly.
You can turn the knobs at the bottom to adjust diopter. And it is also low blue light certified.
You don't have to like turn around. What you can do is actually just use this scroll.
The scroll allows you to turn the drone around. The grip motion controller is so easy to navigate. I wouldn't even need to know how to fly a drone. You just need to aim the controller like a laser pointer, pull the trigger, and A1 moves in that direction as you can see here. So anyone can fly the 360-degree camera drone.
To change the angle of the view.
And pressing the scroll, you reset the center. This vision goggle is literally a vision goggle. You can see where the drone is flying from the inside as well as on the outer monitor.
Since it is 360-degree camera, you don't have to do much actually, which is amazing. The best thing is to actually fly in a straight line and then you just edit later on.
Antigravity A1, being a 360-degree camera drone, it can do so much more than a standard drone. And now let me show you how you can achieve this, and you'll be surprised that it's so simple. If you want the coolest drone shot, then always refer to the menu on the left. On the left side, you will see Return to Home, Deep Track, Sky Genie, Sky Path. First, let's go to Sky Genie. In Sky Genie, there are short pre-programmed path, orbit, anti-gravity line, fly away, ascend, spiral ascend, oval orbit, arc shot, arc out. All of them produce fantastic results. But let me first show you with the anti-gravity line. All you need to do is press and hold C1 button on your grip motion controller to select the subject, and then tap C1 to start. Then the drone measures the distance and does everything for you. Let me speed up the screenshot of my vision goggles so you can see the entire progress real fast. Let me also quickly show you two other examples. One is orbit. This is great if you want to circle around a monument. In my case, a beautiful big tree. The Sky Genie videos are all automatically saved. And when you connect it to Antigravity app, then the app picks out the Sky Genie videos and have already done the edit. And you can apply different templates and the videos look fantastic.
I found the perfect spot to fly my anti-gravity A1 drone. So I'm inside the menu. So let's start with deep track. C1 to select myself. And it's actually coming towards me. And one thing I realized, if I move around with this controller, it follows me around. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually leave it here on a little cute table. And now I'm walking this way. It's following me. Actually, it's going reverse as well, but there are sensors all around, so not a problem. And now you can see that I'm here. Can you see? Need to walk. And the drone is following me, and you can see on the display here, which is amazing. So the drone is over there. I actually have the goggle off. And you can actually go completely hands-free as well with this 360-degree drone. So what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna run around a little bit so that it's gonna follow me. And the AI technology here, it just calculates what is the best distance for it to follow me.
Let's go inside the app to check out the deep track footage. And what's amazing is that in highlighted reel, AI analyzes and clips out interesting footages and edits it by itself. So you get mini clips of AI edited footage. And at the end, you can see the deep track footage. Here you can see that the obstacle avoidance during deep track works amazing. And now let me show you a few of the clips from highlights reel that Antigravity app has automatically analyzed with AI, and they are usable immediately. There are two flight control modes. One is free motion mode, which you've seen throughout this video already. And now let's move on to FPV mode. And I've also enabled virtual cockpit. The virtual cockpit allows you to go on an adventure like riding a dragon or even Harry Potter broomstick. So here I've selected a dragon and it really feels like I'm riding a dragon. Now I want to show you guys how FPV works. So let me attempt a little bit. And once you've flown the drone in FPV mode, you can go into the app, and since I'm a bit lazy to do all the edits, what I did was to press auto edit here at the bottom, and the app analyzes which scenes would be the most interesting. And here is the result. So with Antigravity A1, you can fly the drone in very dynamic FPV mode.
Okay, so that was a little bit of FPV for you guys.
Now I want to quickly show you guys SkyPath if you want to share the adventurous drone experience with your loved ones like your children or partner. Then you can make use of the SkyPath. SkyPath allows you to build your flight path and let Antigravity A1 navigate it autonomously. Then you can hand over the vision goggles and let your friends or family experience the thrill of flying. And for here, I even have the virtual cockpit on. So the experience will be amazing for your friends and families. Inside the vision goggle menu, there are so many extensive menus such as defogging function of the vision goggle. Actually, throughout this video, I didn't have any problem with the defogging. It just means that the fan in the vision goggle will be more active. And you can change the video setting, you can watch the video again in the gallery. And you can change so many settings in this menu. And don't forget to try out the sports mode. For me, I actually tried out the cinematic mode and it all worked fine. Lastly, big red button, short press to brake and long press to return to home.
Wow, what a fantastic way to fly your drone. So Antigravity A1, I had so much fun with it, and editing it actually was so simple because I'm actually used to 360-degree camera. It's just the same, but with the wings. And I have to say this 360-degree drone, at first I was like, oh, it must be difficult, but that's not the case. You've seen Genie, you've seen the AI tracking, and it's just so easy to get the most professional shot possible. So right now in the website, there's a best offer of the season, so definitely do check out the link down below for more detail.
By the way, a great news is that Antigravity has a local repair center in California and offers reliable repair and return services across North America for a worry-free experience.
And I'll be back with other interesting gadget review, so see you!